How to make money on YouTube. Isn't that what everyone's trying to do these days? Well, it's not as easy as you think, okay? YouTube is basically the new TV network, right? Everyone is now watching video on YouTube. There are tons of channels, tons of programs, and in order to make that money on YouTube, you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. It's not as easy as you think to get into it either. Hi, my name is Scott Schaefer. I'm with the Real Creative Agency. I want to talk to you about how to make money on YouTube, but first this.
Do you want more traffic to your YouTube channel or website? Do you need someone to help grow your brand? We help you get found, get clicked, and get a call to action. Because anyone that spends money on ads isn't real creative.
Okay, so you want to make money on YouTube. You hear people, they're making $1,000 a month, 5,000, 10, 20, 100,000. Yeah, they're making money from ads on their videos on YouTube. And it's easy to do, but it's really hard to get into the YouTube Partner Program. There are two requirements you need. The first, you need 1,000 subscribers on your channel. 1,000, that's a lot. Most channels never make it to 100. So to get to the 1,000 subscribers, you got to do a lot of neat things. You got to know what you're doing to get the 1,000 subscribers, and we show people how to do that. Now, if you, I saw on Fiverr or Upwork, though, I can get 1,000 for 20 bucks. Don't do it. Don't do it, because there's a good chance if you do it, you're going to get black flagged by YouTube. They know those people aren't real subscribers. So right there, you got to check against your channel. So don't do the 1,000 subscribers. The second thing, on the subscribers, we'll show you how to get more subscribers every video. And there's a lot of reasons, because people don't know to subscribe. So second thing, you need 4,000 hours of watch time. 4,000, what is that? Oh, that's a ton. That's a lot. And if you're banging out these 2-minute, 3-minute videos, it's going to take you a long time to get there. There are tricks to get the 4,000 hours a lot faster. And that's kind of how YouTube separates the wheat from the chaff, the good from the bad. The guys that buy the 1,000 subscribers, you ain't going to get those 4,000 hours with your $20 Fiverr Upwork guy, okay? 4,000 hours. We'll show you how to do that. Now, okay, those are two major requirements. Also, to become, to get in the YouTube Partner Program, you can't have any copyright claims. You can't be throwing Jay-Z's music in your background. YouTube is not going to allow that. They don't want any issues. So if you got copyright claims on your videos, 1 or 2 is okay. But if you got a bunch of them, forget it. You're never going to get through. Get rid of those videos. So it's not going to help you. Number 2, I think this kind of goes without saying. If you have a lot of age-restricted content, YouTube's they're not going to want that either. So they want to know content they put up there is going to be suitable, that they can throw, I don't know, a baby food commercial on one of your videos. Okay, think of it that way. When you create content, think of it as anybody could advertise on this video or in this video. You'll be fine. Okay, so those are the first 2 things. Your YouTube channel needs to be optimized to get started though, okay? In order to get the subscribers and the hours, if you're not in the YouTube Partner Program, the way your videos get found is through YouTube suggesting or recommending a video to someone that watched a video like yours, okay? That is how you get found. You're small, you're not going to get picked up. That YouTube says, hey, this guy or this lady was looking for a video, how to lose weight on a vegan diet. I'm just throwing something out, okay? So that person watched a video about vegan diet and exercise, blah, blah, blah. And what they'll do is at the end of that video, they'll suggest another video like that because that person had interest, right? So if you don't optimize your channel or optimize your videos, you're not going to get suggested. And we show you how. That's YouTube channel optimization. We do it really good. There's a link below. You contact us. We'll optimize your channel. It's pretty quick, pretty cheap. We can get that done. So you need to have your channel optimized. Next thing, your videos need to be optimized for YouTube. Okay? What does that mean? Well, this is what I tell a client. Okay? When someone is searching for a video on yoga exercises for elder people, over 50, okay? Just throwing something out again here. YouTube needs to know they're going to go and look for all the channels that are channels and videos that talk about this topic. And if you did not identify, if you did not categorize your video to that search query, it won't get picked up. So most people, we see this, people throw up a video and they think, well, YouTube's going to understand it. YouTube won't understand it. You have to tell YouTube what that video is about, who is it for, what do you tell them in that video. This is all part of optimization. We do this really well, and we will, any video you have, we can optimize it. So when YouTube comes across a search query and you have the right parameters or the content that would match that, it'll know to pick it up and suggest it, okay? So this is all part of the suggestion and recommending. You need to optimize your videos. Number 3, thumbnails. Man, we cannot say this enough to people. We see so many crappy thumbnails. Now, there's 2 things a thumbnail cannot be. It can't be boring and it can't be confusing. And we see people, all this graphics and all this clip art and all this crap on it. What is that? Tell me what this video is about. Intrigue me. Hey, how to lose weight on a vegan diet. I can figure that out. If I see someone maybe in a good shape with the text, vegan diet tips, exercise on a vegan, these are things I would get. Oop, that's interesting. I'm going to click on it. Okay? Really simple. Now, thumbnails, there are certain tricks that we use to get the subconscious mind to want to click on that. That's a little bit of SEO experts. We can show you how to do that. But the thumbnail, you got to have a great thumbnail. If it's boring, you show some pictures of something, no text. What is that? Why would I click on that? And that goes back to YouTube when they suggest or recommend a video. Up next, if your thumbnail doesn't tell someone what that video is about, he ain't gonna click on it. So that thumbnail has to tell the story real quick, 6 words or less, usually a face, because it intrigues the person to click on it. Okay, now we got someone to click on the video. They're now watching your video. You did everything right. Channel, the videos, the thumbnail. What's the next thing you need to do? You gotta ask them to subscribe. People don't know to subscribe. Believe it or not, they don't. So that little red button, subscribe there, right there, big, bold, YouTube points it out really big. You got to tell that person the video, hey, if you want more tips or you want to know more videos or how to do XYZ, hit the subscribe button. You see right down there, that little red button? Click that. Then you subscribe to our channel. That's all you need to do, okay? That is how you get those 1,000 subscribers. But if you're expecting them to subscribe to your channel, ain't gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. You gotta tell people. But you gotta tell them in a nice, polite way. You can't just hound them every 10 seconds. Subscribe, subscribe. They're gonna turn you off. So that's how you get the subscribers. How you get the 4,000 watch hours, that is hard. That's really, really hard. So there are tricks and tips that we tell our clients. And what we typically do with the YouTube channel, this is how we kind of fire a channel up where it, boom, starts to really get revitalized and go through all this process, is there are tricks and tips to keeping someone on your channel longer, okay? They watch this video, and if this video relates to that video, they probably will watch that video. Boom, you just turned 5 minutes into 10 minutes, maybe into 20 or a half an hour. That is how you get those 4,000 hours. We help companies do this all the time. We show you tips and tricks how to keep someone on your channel longer. So that's what you need to do. Now, if you're thinking, well, I'm just going to bang out a bunch of those shorts, a short, you see them now, they're less than 60 seconds, YouTube, where people, they're almost like selfie videos, we'll call them. Don't do that. Don't do those because A, you're not going to get the watch time, and B, YouTube is not going to promote those when you do get in the YouTube Partner Program. You have to start thinking of creating content that YouTube will want to place ads on once you're in their partner program. And that leads me to this. Getting to the YouTube Partner Program, getting your YouTube channel and videos found is all about YouTube suggesting and recommending your videos. So they will suggest and recommend your videos if it relates to another video that someone's watching. That's how you get started, okay? That is how your thumbnail will get in front of someone's face. The thumbnail, boom, click on it. That looks interesting. I'm gonna watch it. Boom, okay? Click on it. You have to deliver the content, then subscribe. So you have to, this is so key, you have to optimize your channel and videos in such a way that YouTube will suggest or recommend them initially, okay? That's how you're gonna get found. You gotta do a little heavy lifting initially. Once you're in the YouTube Partner Program and they start to put ads on your videos, they will push your content. So the heavy lifting, it's really, really hard to get to the 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. We'll help you do that. We know how to do it. We can usually take a channel, take a look at the videos and see what the problem is and how to maximize your videos, how to get more people to watch them. A lot of times it's just optimizing it. And you can just, the link below will help you out there. So that is how you make money on YouTube. I can tell you this. Once you get to the 1,000 subscribers and you're in the YouTube Partner Program, oh, it's downhill, baby. Because if you've gotten to that point and you have enough content where people have watched enough of your videos, you are going to be blown away at how much revenue, how many subscribers you pick up once you're in the YouTube Partner Program. They will promote your content. And that's all you need. That really is all you need. But getting to that takes work. And a real creative agency will help you. We will get you to that YouTube Partner Program. Now, there's a couple things that we can help you with. There are two things, really. One is if you have copyright claims on your video, if you're, an exercise video and you got Jay-Z in the background with the music, you got a copyright claim. YouTube ain't going to allow that. They're not going to promote something and have an issue with Jay-Z or Beyonce or somebody in music in your background. Or even if you do a brand, if you put a brand in there, don't do that. Copyright claims, if you have them, unless they're a massive revenue or traffic generator, get rid of them because YouTube doesn't like any copyright claims in your channel. And the second thing is age-restricted videos. Yeah, come on, guys. You know, I get it. They're fun to watch. But YouTube, you have to think of those videos as, would you put a Gerber baby food ad on this video? No. So create content so that any brand wouldn't be embarrassed or wouldn't want to have their ad on. If you do that, you're going to be set. Trust me, you will be set. So think about that when you create your content. When in doubt, don't do it. Don't do it. Think of the future. But my suggestion is this. Create a steady drip of videos. Do maybe one a week or maybe one or two, same day, every time at the same day. Build yourself up. I would strongly suggest don't even think of getting anywhere near the YouTube Partner Program until you have minimum 50 videos. Minimum 50 videos. Yeah, maybe one of your videos will take off, but you have to think long term because the majority of people There are roughly, okay, I'm going to give you some stats here. There are roughly 50 million YouTube channels, not videos, channels. So the majority of YouTube channels have less than 100 subscribers. What happens? People give up. They give up. I'm not getting anywhere. I'm not getting subscribers. I'm done. So come to us. If you have more than 10, 15 videos, we can show you how to get traction pretty quickly and don't have the copyright claims or any issues like that. We can help you. So come to us at Real Creative Agency. We'll help you get your channel and your videos into the YouTube Partner Program. So once you get to that level, it's downhill. I want to thank you for watching. If you thought this was a value or helpful, subscribe to that big red button down there. Hit that big red button, bang! Oh, you're going to get the next video when we come out with the next video. And you're going to get more tips here. But if you want your content found, YouTube channel, videos, website, blog, contact us today at realcreativeagency.com. Thank you.